Every guy wants to look sharp. Clean skin, fresh face, good fragrance, and a groomed look. But here's the funny part. Most men think they need expensive creams, serums, and fancy products to get there. Not true. You can upgrade your grooming game with one simple thing that costs almost nothing: Vaseline. Today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful Vaseline tricks that every man should be using. These are simple, fast, and insanely effective. Let's get right into it. 1. The overnight face repair hack. If you deal with dry skin, rough patches, or your face just looks tired and dull, this hack is your new best friend. Before you sleep, apply a very thin layer of Vaseline on the dry areas of your face, sides of the nose, under the eyes, around the mouth, or anywhere that feels tight. Vaseline doesn't moisturize, it locks in the moisture you already have. So while you sleep, your skin repairs, hydrates, and softens. In the morning, your face looks cleaner, healthier, and more refreshed, without a single expensive product. This is especially powerful in winter, dry climates, after shaving, and long work or gym days. Use it 2 to 3 nights a week, and the difference becomes obvious fast. 2. The clean, smooth lip trick. Most guys ignore their lips until they get cracked, white, and painful. But here's the deal. Your lips are one of the first things people notice when you talk. Every night, put a small amount of Vaseline on your lips, just a thin coat. This prevents dryness, cracking, and that white flaking look. If you want faster results, rub your lips gently with a soft toothbrush for 10 seconds, then apply Vaseline. This removes dead skin and makes your lips look fresh, without shine, without makeup, without looking extra. Just clean, healthy, masculine. 3. The beard and hair control move. Every man with a beard knows the struggle, those annoying hairs sticking out, ruining your clean look. Vaseline is perfect for quick grooming. Rub a tiny bit between your fingers, warm it up, and run your fingers gently across your beard or sideburns. It controls flyaways, sets your beard shape, makes short haircuts look sharper, and gives a healthy look without looking greasy. You can also use it to fix eyebrows, not shaping them like makeup, just keeping them neat, even, and clean. Small detail, big improvement. 4. The cologne power booster. Want your cologne to last longer? This hack is insane. Before applying your cologne, put a tiny amount of Vaseline on your pulse points, neck, wrists, behind the ears, collarbone area. When you spray cologne on top, the scent sticks to the Vaseline and releases slowly throughout the day. Results? Your scent lasts much longer, you need fewer sprays, and even cheap colognes smell premium. Perfect for school, work, dates, or nights out. Simple trick, huge impact. 5. The clean gear, clean hands trick. Vaseline isn't just for your skin, it works for your accessories and clothes too. Use a small amount to add shine and protection to your watch, leather straps, white sneakers, metal bracelets, and belt buckles. Rub it in, wipe the excess off, and everything looks polished, not oily. This gives you a cleaner overall appearance without buying cleaning kits. So, those were 5 powerful Vaseline tricks every man should know. One cheap product, and you just leveled up your grooming, your style, and your confidence. Try 2 or 3 of these today, and you'll see the difference yourself. If you want a part 2 with more tricks, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more clean, simple, and powerful men's grooming videos.